Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for us all. So welcome to this segment which is called Cooking Made Simple, where I show you some of the simple cooking recipes that I know of, or as what I would call very much survival food that I have learnt over the years from mum, university, etc. So this dish is basically omelette based, but we're going to use potatoes and various other recipes. So as you can see, we have 4 eggs, we have potatoes, we have tomatoes, we have olives, we have onions, and there's an assortment of spices. So there's chili, turmeric, salt, pepper, and if you look at the other things that we've put in, basil, cumin, garlic granules, and oregano. Okay, so the first thing to do is to fry the potatoes. Okay, so the potatoes are going in. I should have said the oil needs to be heated. Okay, so the potatoes are in. We're going to cook this for about 5-6 minutes, and we are going to cook both sides. So give that a minute or so, and then we'll start turning them over. Whilst they're being cooked, we can prepare the eggs. Okay, so we're going to give that a good whisk, keeping an eye on the potatoes. So as you can see, it's cooking quite nicely. I'm going to turn them over. That one's quite well done. So turn them all over. Okay, they're browning nicely. We'll give them a few more minutes. So all the spices have been added in there now. Give that a good whisk. Putting in the tomatoes. So I did forget to say the title. It is of course Cheesy Potato Omelette. Okay, so I think I also forgot to mention the cheese, which is over there. So can we put the onions in as well, please?
Onions.
Okay. And finally the olives are going to go in. Real good mix. Okay, we think they're nicely done, so we're going to put the egg mixture there. Can we spread that please right over the potatoes?
Right over the potatoes.
So I'm going to put the lid over that for about 5 minutes, viewers. Okay, so we think the other side is cooked. I like olives, so we're going to have some more olives there. Okay, and the final thing, can we have some cheese on there please? Okay, and spread that. So we're going to cook that until it's nice and soft. So there is our final product, viewers. It looks delicious. So that is potato egg omelette. Okay, let's transfer that onto a plate and see if we can taste some. There we go, that is in the serving dish, viewers. I'm going to take a small bite. Okay. So do I show you that tastes quite nice? So I think I did some dodgy camera work there, but never mind. Okay viewers, that's the final product. I do hope you will try the recipe. I thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Keep watching fully. So until the next time I say thank you. Look after yourselves, look after others, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz, Allah Negeban.